Hey, welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown. And guess what I got to look at today is the Panasonic's Let's Note FV4 business laptop. Well, you know, the first thing out of the box it looks like, it weighs just over 2 pounds at 2.4 actually pounds. It has a battery that Panasonic claims will run for at least 10 hours. So you'll be able to use this laptop 10 hours on battery power. Now that's what Panasonic says. In real life, I don't know how that plays out. It comes out of the box and there's no upgrades or downgrades with a 512 gig SSD and 32 gigs of RAM. They don't offer any upgrade or downgrade off of that. It includes, look how thin this is. I want to just show you guys how thin this laptop is. It's very thin, light. I mean, it's very light in my hands. It's kind of flexible, but that's okay. I love the keyboard because if you take a look here, the keyboard has nice keys that are big and they're extremely springy, which I like in a keyboard. You know how I am about keyboards. Now, you may recognize this type mouse. This is a round mouse pad. This came out of from the days of the W8 or the T8 or the C2. Remember the CF-C2 or even the C1? They commonly used a round mouse pad like this, although this one is way bigger than those older models were. Now, some of the ports that are on here, we have a couple of USB-A ports. There's a external monitor SVGA port and Ethernet 1 gig. It has a couple of USB-C ports right here, HDMI, and another USB-A port. So there's 3 USB-A ports on this. Other than that, that's all you get on this unit. There is no upgradability as far as memory or hard drive, and I'm still looking into it, but I don't believe there's the broadband add-on, so there's no way to get 4G LTE on this unit. The screen itself is 14-inch. It's non-touch. It has a 3:2 ratio and only 350 nit brightness, so it is not a daylight readable screen. It needs to at least be 450 nit to be daylight readable. The video chip in here is a pretty standard Intel Iris Xe graphics that's built-in CPU that's on the board. It comes out, one additional thing, it comes out of the box, no upgrade or downgrade, with an Intel Core i7 1370p. So it's a 13th gen i7 processor, and it's a V Pro processor to boot. So you do have a little bit of horsepower on this unit. Overall, lightweight. If you're traveling around and you need something that you don't want to tote around a 5 or 6 pound Toughbook, this is a nice option. I wouldn't leave it outside. I wouldn't drop it. Other than that, it's a pretty cool little laptop. That's all I got for you today. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you guys next week.